like I said, there are three main functions of the blood. Oxygen transporting, this allows us to do our daily activities, such as walk into the shops, walk in anywhere really, just going out for a jog if you like going out for a jog. This is where the blood transports oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles, so we can walk to the shops, digest food, speak, just so we can do all that, because we have the energy from the blood and the oxygen. The second function of the blood is blood clotting. This helps us stop blood loss when we cut our blood vessel, or when we cut ourselves, our skin or something. Platelets and proteins in our plasma work together to form a blood clot over the cut area. The blood clot will dissolve by our body once the injury has healed. So once our injury is healed and there's nothing left, it'll dissolve basically. This is known as a scab also. Our blood also fights infection. 1% of our blood is made up by white blood cells, which is produced in bone marrow. And this will help fight infection or colds or anything like that. There'll be a foreign body in our body, and the white blood cell will work as like a miniature army, if you were, to go and fight that foreign body away and hopefully get rid of the infection. The way blood flow around our body is, we take in air, oxygen from the air around us, and then it goes to our heart, where it is pumped around the body, out of the pulmonary vein, down through arteries around the body, so it goes from the heart to the liver to filter any toxins from the blood, and down into the intestines to absorb nutrients from the blood, and then into the kidneys to filter waste from the blood to form urine, which we will urinate out later, and then from there down into the legs, and all the oxygen is used up then, so deoxygenated blood is taken back up to the heart, where it is pumped into the lungs, where gases exchange takes place in the alveoli, and which creates carbon dioxide as a waste product of this reaction, and this is pumped through back out the lungs and pumped up through the superior right side of the heart and pumped all the way back out. And carbon dioxide is breathed back out as a gas through our mouth back out into the outside world, where this whole cycle takes place again. So breathe in to the heart, down through our organs, used up all the oxygen and nutrients, so deoxygenated blood taken back up to the heart, pumped into the lungs, gases exchange, then the gas or the carbon dioxide is breathed back out, breathe some more oxygen in, and process is done like that. Here is my bibliography for all of my pictures that I've done. And I'm just going to reiterate that the pulmonary membrane is good for someone such as Jessica Ennis, because they'll be moving about a lot, which throws their lungs about inside, whereas the pulmonary membrane will protect it from other organs and internal parts of the body. The lobes allow someone such as Mo Farah to keep processing the oxygen that he's using. This fluid, again, like I say, with the pleural membrane, just protects the lungs when they are running or jumping, in Jessica Ennis' case. The thoracic cavity, this, when it is made bigger, will help a runner or any athlete because they can breathe in more oxygen, giving them more energy. So Mo Farah, it will help him a lot because he can breathe it in and then have more energy. Again, intercostal muscles will help with this. Gaseous exchange will help with the nutrients and getting rid of carbon dioxide. That was my anatomy assignment 3.